We've used LinkedIn to help our clients get relationships with government departments and get the opportunity to tender and go for projects into the millions of dollars. And naturally, if you have government relationships, some projects under management are billions of dollars. So you can win projects that are going to have a massive impact on your business, and you know that you're also going to get paid for these projects. So how can you find and build relationships with people in government administration using LinkedIn? First of all, there's a way you can do it organically, but there are restrictions. So if you go to your filters and you put your location, so you can put in a city, and you scroll down to industry and put in government administration, and then come down to title and put in project manager and click show results. It's going to bring up everyone in that country or that location working in government administration as a project manager, and you can see here 602 results. So that is step number one that you can do organically. If you have a Sales Navigator account, it expands the possibilities even further. So we go through the same process, go to your filters, put in your location, put in the industry, government administration, come down and put your title in. We've got our 4,000 results here. Click search. The advantage you have with a Sales Navigator account is you can contact up to 20 people a month that aren't connected to you with an email credit. So you can message and touch base with someone that isn't directly connected to you. Whereas if you've got a free account, unless they've got an open profile, then you may not be able to connect and get in contact with them. So it just speeds up the process of being able to touch base and see if you can add value or contribute to one of the government projects or make an inquiry about what's going on. And it's just one major opportunity that exists for your business, if that's possible in the sector and industry that you support through the LinkedIn platform. If you found this video helpful, make sure that you subscribe. We're going to drop at least 2 LinkedIn marketing tutorials to help you get more clients and leads every single week. Feel free to ask a question in the comments section, and make sure that you hit like if this was valuable, and feel free to pass it on to someone else that might benefit from seeing this tutorial. Have a great day, and thanks for watching.